Hello and welcome to the very first episode of How to Make a Simple Meme. Today, I'm going to show you how to make some most basic meme features, such as the ones shown right now, like this house exploding, we'll be right back, and 3 more. This is a meme project I've created earlier on Scratch. As you can see, it's about Scratch Cat cooking, food, and eating. Now, we're at the house exploding costumes. There's several costumes and one sound, obviously the house exploding sound. When green flag clicked, we're gonna hide this sprite because we don't want to show it at the start of the project. Now we're gonna make a new broadcast called Explosion. You can call these broadcasts whatever you want. It really doesn't matter. Now drag in a go to 0x0y0 to center this meme. Before the show, switch costume to the first one, house explosion. After the show, repeat 10, repeat 35, not 10. Then we're gonna drag in a next costume inside of the repeat so that it looks like an animation. And between the show and the repeat, we're gonna use start sound, not play sound, because play sound will just delay the whole project significantly. After all of that, drag a hide block. If that's a little fast for you, then you can just put in a few seconds delay before the house explodes. So right before start sound. I'm going to try 2 seconds for now. Maybe 1.5 seconds. I think that's perfect. You can control these to whatever you want. After, I don't want the house to disappear straight away, so I'm just going to put in wait 2 seconds. So it waits 2 seconds after the house is blown away. I think I'm going to do 1.5 for this as well. And if you think the explosion is too fast, you can just put in a 0.01 second delay. That is much better. Now in the boom costume, now in the boom sprite, we have 27 sprite costumes and the boom sound. Once again, when green flag clicked, we're going to hide and set size to 100. Move that away for a second. And we're going to create a new broadcast called Boom. Once again, you can name these broadcasts whatever you want. It doesn't matter. Now after when I receive Boom, we're going to switch costume to the first exploding costume. After that, we're going to start sound explosion. Then we're going to put repeat 26. And the inside of the repeat 26, put the next costume and wait. Let's try 0.01 seconds. And then after all that, put a hide. Oh, and don't forget to show at the start. Click on the Whoa, that was way bigger. That was way bigger than I thought. Maybe just decrease the delay. And also don't forget to click the green flag to reset all. Yes, 0.01 seconds. Good. You can mess around with these and wait something seconds to what you like. Now in the What Meme sprite, we have one costume, and of course, one sound of the What Meme sound. Once again, drag when green flag clicked and a hide. And then to center this, go to X0, Y0. After that, we're gonna put set size to 150 to make this big enough to zoom in, because that's what the original What Memes do. Now we're gonna make yet another broadcast called What Meme. And under the What Meme, we're going to put show straight away. And then we're going to drag in a repeat. Change size by, let's try -5. Maybe -4. Cool. Maybe to slow it down, we can increase the repeat and decrease the change size by. And don't forget to click the green flag to reset. That looks pretty good to me. And put the start sound. After that, put a wait 1 second and change the 1 second to, let's try 3.5 seconds. And then after that, stop all sounds. Did not mean to do that. Duplicate the repeat 20 and change that to change size by 2 instead of -2. And then after all that, hide. That's pretty good. Now the to be continued meme, we have yet again one costume and one sound. The to be continued sound. Once again, we're going to put when green flag clicked, hide. I think that's pretty much everything for the when green flag clicked for now. Unfortunately, we do have to make another broadcast to make our lives easier on the later episodes. We're gonna name this TBC meme for to be continued. Under the when I receive TBC meme, we're gonna put start sound, the TBC meme sound, and then wait 3 seconds, 3.5 seconds. Because the TBC meme has the sound at the beginning before the meme pops up. And before everything, remember to go to X0, X minus X500, Y0. So we can slide in from the right. And then after wait 3.5 seconds, we're gonna put a show. And then glide, we're gonna use glide instead of repeat. Glide 1 second to 0, 0. That is a bit slow, so we're gonna change the glide 1 second to maybe let's try 0.3 seconds. That's perfect. Oh, and also we need to set ghost effect to 30 to make it a little bit transparent. Yes, that's perfect. Now put a wait, put a stop all sounds, and before that wait probably 4 seconds, and then stop all sounds, and then hide at the end. That's a bit short, so maybe let's try 6 seconds maybe? That's very good. Now for the "we'll be right back" meme, we have a few costumes and the "we'll be right back" sound. When green flag clicked, we want to hide. And for the last time of this episode, we need to make the very last broadcast in this episode, which is named "We'll Be Right Back" meme. I couldn't think of a short name for this, so you can just make one up. Switch costume to costume 1 after the "when I receive" block, and then a show at the end. Go to X0Y0 to center, and wait 1 second, and before the wait 1 second, we're going to put next costume. Unfortunately, we can't do the repeat for this one because the timing for every single one is different. We can use a variable, but I figured out this would be easier. So wait 0.5 seconds, next costume, wait 0.4 seconds, next costume, wait 0.4 seconds, next costume, wait 0.4 seconds, next costume, and wait 0.3 seconds, next costume. And then after the go to, we put start sound, "we'll be right back." You know what? That's pretty good, I think. Don't forget to put wait 1 second and then a hide at the end. That's pretty good, I think. Today we made these 5 basic meme. Exploding mouse, the bomb explosion, what meme, the to be continued meme, and we'll be right back. Next episode, we will hopefully be able to have time to make these memes come together. By the way, these costumes and sounds are available at the link below. Thank you for watching.